Okay, so I am not well. I haven't been well since Thursday. I was probably unwell even earlier than that, but symptoms started showing up Thursday. Oh, there you are. I thought you jumped the fence. So, there's the pigeons. There's what? Hey, come on. I know what you're up to. Can you? No. Move from the fence because we got to feed. We got to feed the pigeons. Come on. I know what you're up to. You're trying to, and then he will bolt and jump the fence. Hang on, let me drop this. All right, I'm picking you up. Come on. I don't trust you. I don't trust you one bit. I'm sorry. You had all day today outside with Bubba. With Grandma. When I was at the doctor's. All right, inside. Sorry, buddy, but that cat up there is... Oh, you can't see that cat up there. That's not my cat. Yesterday there was I noticed like a couple of young ones, like young babies. I can't seem to see them now, but maybe they'll show. But there's like every time I come out, there's more of them. I'll be feeding the whole of Melbourne pigeon. All right, yep, din. All right, I'm gonna stop recording and start putting. Where are the little ones? Din. Din. Oh, there's one. Din. I'm just breaking up bread while you can't see. Can you call your friends or whatever? Din. Oh, you're excited. Yeah. Water's fresh. Don't worry, he won't do anything. He is so chill, this cat. You guys can eat. He already gave him food. Yeah, din. Mm-hmm. You're very talkative. Din. The neighbours are probably thinking, God damn it, you with your dins every friggin' day. Stop yelling din. Damn it, I dropped the bread. Alright, so it's you then, huh? Din. Oh, whatever. Alright, I'm going to stop recording and do this properly.